A holistic lifestyle can be defined as a lifestyle that embraces the concept of living in harmony with the environment, one's own body, and the mind. Practicing a holistic approach to life incorporates healthy nutrition and exercise, relaxation, stress management, emotional well-being, and spiritual growth. This type of lifestyle is becoming increasingly popular among individuals who want to maximize their physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. A holistic lifestyle begins with a healthy diet that is balanced and contains nutrients from all the food groups. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates is essential for good health. Supplements such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and probiotics can help ensure optimal nutrition. Exercise is another important part of a holistic lifestyle. Regular physical activity can help prevent chronic diseases, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. It is important to find an exercise routine that fits your lifestyle, such as functional training, personal training, walking, jogging, or even swimming. In addition to healthy eating habits and exercise, relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and massage are often included in a holistic lifestyle. These techniques can help manage stress, reduce anxiety, and promote mental clarity. Finally, spiritual growth is an important part of a holistic lifestyle. This involves cultivating self-awareness and understanding one's own beliefs and values. Seeking out experiences that promote personal growth can be beneficial for the mind, body, and spirit. Eating well is only part of the equation when it comes to living a holistic lifestyle. Natural remedies and toxin-free attitudes can also contribute to your overall well-being. With mindful nutrition, you can optimize your diet with superfoods that nourish the body and mind. Superfoods like kale, chia seeds, spirulina, and maca can be easily incorporated into your lifestyle, giving you the energy and vitality to take on every day. Even small lifestyle changes can make a big difference in your overall health. Become part of the holistic lifestyle movement and start living a life that's balanced and full of vitality with elements for life today. Living a holistic lifestyle is about taking care of your overall health and well-being. It means looking after your mind, body, and spirit by making positive changes to the way you eat, how you look after yourself, how you interact with others, and generally how you live your life. One of the key components of a holistic lifestyle is avoiding toxins in your environment. Toxins are harmful substances that can have negative consequences for our health and well-being. Common sources of toxins include air pollution, processed foods, pesticides, cleaning products, pharmaceuticals, unfiltered water, and personal care products. One way to reduce exposure to toxins is to eat organic food whenever possible. Organic fruits and vegetables are free of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, contain more nutrients than conventionally grown produce, and can help keep your body healthy. Additionally, it's important to choose natural household cleaning products that don't contain potentially toxic chemicals. Living toxin-free may sound like a difficult lifestyle to adopt, but it's actually far easier than you might think. With the right understanding and guidance, toxin-free living can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Taking a holistic approach to your daily life can have many benefits both mentally and physically. An important first step when transitioning to toxin-free living is to become familiar with the toxins that are present in your environment and food sources. This includes everything from cleaning products, beauty products, foods, and water sources. Toxins can take on many forms, including chemicals, pesticides, heavy metals, and other pollutants. Once you're aware of these potential toxin sources in your environment, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about what you bring into your home and how you eat. Toxin-free living isn't just about avoiding toxin sources. It's also about taking a more holistic approach to your health and well-being. Consider incorporating natural health remedies such as herbal supplements, aromatherapy, and energy healing into your daily routine for optimal toxin-free living. Additionally, try to incorporate toxin-free practices such as deep breathing techniques or yoga into your daily life to better manage stress levels and increase overall well-being. Living toxin-free is an incredibly rewarding experience that can help you live a healthier and happier life. With the right knowledge and guidance, toxin-free living can be easy and enjoyable. Embrace the journey of toxin-free lifestyle today and reap the benefits of improved health and well-being. Exercise is also an important part of a holistic lifestyle. Regular physical activity helps improve your overall health, lowers your risk of disease, and improves your quality of life. Exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost our energy levels, and promote better sleep patterns. It's important to find activities that you enjoy so that you can stick with them long term. Examples of exercises that are suitable for everyone include walking, cycling, swimming, and yoga. Another important aspect of living holistically is managing stress. Stressful situations can lead to a range of detrimental physical and mental health conditions such as depression, insomnia, and heart disease. So it's important to manage stress in healthy ways such as deep breathing, relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation, engaging in enjoyable activities, and getting enough sleep. Nutrition is also key to a holistic lifestyle. Eating a healthy diet is essential for maintaining your physical and mental health. A healthy diet should include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's also important to stay hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day, as well as limiting caffeine intake and avoiding processed foods high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Finally, it's important to take care of your mental health when living holistically. This means taking time out for yourself each day to relax and unwind, and finding ways to cope with stress in a healthy way such as journaling or engaging in leisure activities. It's also important to reach out for help if you need it, and to remember that self-care is never selfish. By incorporating these holistic approaches into your daily life, you can improve your overall health, well-being, and quality of life. A holistic lifestyle is about making small changes often, being mindful of what we are putting into our body both physically and mentally, and striving for balance in all aspects of life. In order to live a holistic lifestyle, it is important to make changes that are both gradual and sustainable. Start by making small changes such as adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet, or taking a walk a few times per week. Once these habits become part of your daily routine, you can start thinking about other areas of your life, such as stress management or spiritual growth. You may also want to explore different relaxation techniques, or find ways to incorporate spirituality into your life. Making an effort to stay connected with family and friends can also help support you on this journey. With dedication and perseverance, eventually you will be able to develop a balanced lifestyle that meets all of your needs for physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. We hope this article has provided some useful tips on how to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. Disclaimer: this content does not constitute medical advice and is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your lifestyle.